Beautiful BC. Look at all these beautiful flowers on the side of the road. These are rose bushes. These are wild roses. Get them all along the highway. I guess that's why they call it beautiful BC. Maybe that's why they call it beautiful BC. All these beautiful roses. Today is June the 22nd, 2025. Temperature's 22. It's Sunday today, June 22nd. My name is Dwayne Fredlow. To all the shut-ins, those that can't make it out, boys and girls, we're having a look at the flowers. We're also listening to the truckers radio. We're also listening to the airplane radio. Welcome. And all these beautiful flowers. We have someone stopping here beside us.
I'm just coming down to it now.
Beautiful flowers. Hi, ladies. Say hi.
Hello.
How do you like the flowers across there? Beautiful, eh?
Yep. BC Road. You okay?
Beautiful, yeah. Huh?
Okay?
I'm not okay.
Nobody's okay anymore.
I'm not okay.
Woo, these bugs.
But have a good day, ladies.
Too.
Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you. Well, isn't it wonderful? Yeah, nice. This is Marl Brown, or Earl, this is Earl Bartlett's country, and my sister Annette used to come out here lots and count his, he used to be, he had a 57. This is probably why he picked this beautiful spot. He had a house here. He had a 57 Chev, and he used to make all kinds of postcards. And he lived right out here. I forget what this place is called. Maybe that's why he picked this, because it's so beautiful, all the good flowers, and stuff like that. But that's what's happening in Port Nelson today. You stop on the side of the road, you have lots of friendly folks. Stop to see if you're okay. But everything's fine today. We have the water. Actually, we're hoping a bear will poke his head out here somewhere. We haven't seen a bear poke his head out yet. Actually, if you eat those petals on them, those pink flowers, they're really good for you. It's got so much. It's got so many nutrients in it. Good for you. There's so much history there. There was this old man.
I think which fuel station was best. I think the Co-op's the only one that doesn't have a setup.
There was an old man that lived here, and his name was Harris. Yeah, that old man's name was Harris Davis, and he wrote a song, and she made a record. He got Joyce Hanson to sing it. She was a really good singer. Her name used to be Joyce Morgan at one time. There's so much history along this airport road in Fort Nelson. Have a good day, everyone. God bless you. Ciao.